To get set up for nasal breathing, you want to start with a strong foundation. Get yourself in a comfortable position, either sitting down or lying down. I'm actually having to put my feet up on a book so my feet are flat and I can sit supported in a chair. I'm going to start with gently closing the lips, resting the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, which helps to close out your throat so you're not as inclined to breathe through your mouth. When you begin to inhale, inhale for 3 to 6 seconds through your nose. Pause at the top for 1 second, and then slowly just relax and let the air flow out as you exhale for, again, 3 to 6 seconds. I'm going to do it quietly and have you follow along. Let's do it one more time. We're going to do it for 3 seconds, rest at the top, and then 3 seconds out. You want to start practicing this for 3 to 5 breaths, and then go back to your normal breathing. And just like any other exercise, as it becomes easier, you'll start to do it more and more, and you'll add to it with your everyday activity. Now, once you get comfortable with the nasal breathing, we're going to add both the diaphragmatic breathing and the three-part breathing. So the same setup, we're going to focus on breathing in and out through our nose, but we're going to use our hands to feel our rib cage move and expand our lung capacity. So go ahead and place your hands at the bottom of your rib cage with the thumbs in the back and your fingers in the front of your lower ribs. Start to begin just your regular nasal breathing first. Remember, close your lips gently. Rest your tongue, the tip of your tongue, on the roof of your mouth, and then take your breath in for 3 to 6 seconds. Pause, and then exhale for 3 to 6 seconds. Now in the next breath, we're going to start to add that in the three-part breathing. So as you inhale, I want you to feel your lungs fill up from the bottom, the middle of your ribs, and then up by your collarbones. So go ahead and breathe in through your nose, fill up your lungs at the bottom. Pause, and then as you exhale, feel the air expel out. Now as you're breathing in, you want to fill your lungs from the bottom of your hands, feeling the pressure expand your fingertips out and your thumbs. And then as you exhale, your fingers sink back down. Let's try it together. Breathe in through your nose, fill up your lungs. Pause. And then as you exhale, feel the air expel from the top of your chest, the middle of your chest, and the bottom of your ribs. Let's try it again. Breathe in, fill up from the bottom, the middle, and the top by your collarbone. Pause, and then exhale from your collarbone to the middle, and then down to your ribs. Let's try it together one more time. Fill up and breathe in. Pause, and then exhale out. All right, how did you do? Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. At any point in time, if you don't feel comfortable, if you start to feel dizzy, pause, come back to your regular breathing, and then when you feel like you've recovered, restart with the breathing again. All right, so this is not for perfection. Remember, when we breathe, we take about 20,000 breaths per day, so you have a lot of opportunity to practice and get better at it. Thanks again.